Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video I will show you how to fix slow download speed on Google Chrome in 2025. If your downloaded are dragging or getting stuck, I have got some simple but powerful fix that will speed things up. Let's dive in it right in. First step is check your internet connection. Here you can see your internet connection is. Then open a speed test. Here you can see this. Open your speed test website like fast.com. Here you can see my internet speed test. Then you can see this show more information. Click show more information. Here you can see this uploaded 2 ms, loaded 9 ms, and uploaded. Here you can see download speed is 80 mbps. Then you can check another speed test is by Ookla. Now you can check this. As you can see on my screen, it takes some time to. Here you can see this. The result is downloaded speed is 94.36 and uploaded 94.69. If your speed test is lower than usual, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to fast network. And remember, Chrome can't go faster than your internet allows. Then the next step is update Google Chrome. Make sure your Chrome is up to date. Click the three dots you can see on my Google Chrome, and on the right side three dots are here. Then click this, and top to right corner go to help. Here you can see this, the help options, and go to about Google Chrome. Then click. Chrome will automatically check for updates. Here you can see this, update and install the latest version. A newer version often fixes bugs that slow things down. Now here you can see on my Chrome, Google Chrome is up to date version, and it's, you can see this. On the other hand, the next step is clear cache and browsing data. Here you can see too much cache data can slow down your browser. Go to settings. As usual, you can see, go to settings, and then go to the privacy and security, and here you can see this delete browsing data or clear browsing data. To click, and here you can see this browsing history, cookies and other sites, or select all, and to check this all options and deleted data or clear data. Then this gives Chrome a fresh start and cleaner help downloads run smoother. Then the next step is extension can be helpful, but some may interfere with your downloads. Type to Chrome installation. Here you can see this extension. Disable or remove any suspicious or unused extension, especially download managers, VPNs, or ad blockers. Then test your download speed again after turning them off. Then the next step is change download location if Chrome is saving to a slow or nearly full drive that can slow things down. Go to settings and here you can see this, and here you can see this, the download, right? Then click change or the download location under download location and choose a faster empty for folder or drive. This simple change can make a big difference. Also you can try downloading in incognito mode. Here you can see this, the new incognito windows. You can use incognito modes to avoid interference from extension or cache data, or create a new Chrome profile with a no extension to test if the issue is profile specific. And there you have it. Those are easy way to fix slow download speed in Google Chrome in 2025. Try them out one by one and you should notice a big improvement. If this helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.